Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are exploring alternate exterior angles. It sounds like a complex name, but once we break it down into parts, it is actually quite simple to understand. First, let us set the stage. We need two parallel lines, which are lines that run side by side and never touch. Then, we need a third line called a transversal that cuts right across them. This structure creates 8 different angles in total. To find our specific angles, we first need to identify the regions. The area sandwiched between the parallel lines is the interior. But today, we focus on the exterior. This is the space outside the parallel lines, similar to the grass on the sides of a road, away from the pavement. Next, let us look at the word alternate. This simply means the angles are on opposite sides of the transversal line. If one angle is on the left side, its partner must be on the right side. When we put these two rules together, we get the definition of alternate exterior angles. These are pairs of angles that satisfy both conditions. They are in the exterior region, and they are on opposite sides of the transversal line. In any set of parallel lines cut by a transversal, there are exactly 2 pairs of these angles. One pair is located at the top left and bottom right, shown here in red. The other pair is at the top right and bottom left, shown in purple. Now for the most important rule, the alternate exterior angles theorem. It states that if the lines are parallel, then the alternate exterior angles are congruent. In geometry, congruent simply means they are equal in measure. So, angle 1 is equal to angle 8, and angle 2 is equal to angle 7. Let us apply this to a practice problem. Here we have angle A measuring 115 degrees. We need to find the measure of angle B because these are alternate exterior angles on parallel lines. We know they must be equal. Therefore, angle B is also 115 degrees. Why is this useful? Engineers and architects use these principles to ensure stability. When designing structures like bridges or trusses, ensuring that alternate exterior angles are equal guarantees that the support beams are parallel and the structure is safe. To summarize what we learned, exterior means outside the parallel lines. Alternate means on opposite sides of the transversal. And most importantly, if the lines are parallel, these angle pairs are always equal. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.